How to delete a TikTok account 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to delete a TikTok account 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's first head over to our TikTok app. And from in there, just click on the three lines up here. Then click on the settings and privacy on the bottom. So once you're there, click on account right here. And then click on this deactivate or delete account. So once you click on that, this will ask you if you want to deactivate or delete your account permanently. So for me, I will click on delete account permanently, and then just choose a reason why you're leaving TikTok. But you can also skip this right here. So once you have done that, you can actually download your data. But if you don't want to download it, just click on this right here and click on continue. And then as you can see right here, this will delete the account, but it will give us 30 days to recover it if we change our mind. So just click on continue right here, and you just need to enter your password and click on delete account right here in order to proceed to the deletion of your TikTok account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete your TikTok account in 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!